I paid for this, and it's from Candles with Care. I have to tell you, this is a YouTuber on. He's a vanner. He lives in his van, and I'm going to show you his website. Now, he also has a job that he's going to be leaving pretty soon. I think that was the last thing. I'm not quite sure. Anyway, go look at his channel, and it's called Van Life. I hope that's right. My Life on Wheels. Okay? And I tell you, he got his website up, and I thought, okay, I'm going to purchase a candle, because he took with his channel, he's taken us along, you know, with his van life, what's going on with his personal life, when he started his business, his adventures at the flea market. And you know, I'm in for supporting small business. I really am. I've been in business myself, and people have supported me. So I purchased a candle, and hopefully you guys will too. Like I said, I'm not being paid for this. I purchased this. I'm going to sneeze. Ooh, I am so sorry. Whew, wow, where did that come from? Anyway, I purchased this candle. Oh, before I show you that. The candle is very reasonable. I do have to say the shipping was expensive, but I got it on time. He responded to everything. I'm sorry to say, and I like that. So you guys go check out his website, his channel, and then check up his website. He just put it up. And these are soy candles. You know how well you can see that. Okay. And where's mine taken? Yeah, here we go. Very easy website. You just go order and click. Now, I've seen other people. I know I look tired. I've seen other people with things that they were selling, and one was a lady with lipstick. I really liked her lipstick, but she didn't have a website. It somewhat went to, you have to you click it and then you have to call her, and I just wasn't going to go through all that. So I do appreciate that he has a website, and you can see it's all lined up nice and professional. Okay, so yeah, so it's not gonna hurt. Sometimes you spend money on items like fast food or whatever. You can probably start buying, make a Christmas gift. And I know they have all those candles in the store, but you know, just like we do our crocheting, this is something that's made homemade, okay, if you could say that for lack of a better word, and that's my sophistication. So let's open it up. And the reason I'm opening it tonight, because I'm going to burn it, and I'm going to add, tell you how it smells, add on to this video here. Packaged really well. And the candle, I look so tired. I've been crocheting. My eyes are a little tired. This one is Vineyard. Okay. Vineyard. I think I'm saying that right. Yeah. And I purchased this one because I couldn't imagine what a vineyard would smell like. So here we go, you guys. Oh my. Okay, I'm not faking this. Oh my goodness. I'm in love with this. I'm going to put this on my mantle. Oh gosh. I wish I could tell you what this smells like. I could just do this all day long. This smells so good. Okay? And it's so professional. Okay? Oh my gosh. And it's soy. You guys know we burn a lot of candles. Well, I used to, but I stopped because I have read how awful that the candles that are not soy, the petroleum that they're made of, it's not good for your health. And we burn that all day long, you know, because we can get them cheaper. They're just like anything. It's cheap, but it's not good for you. So I do burn only soy candles, except for my and I don't burn them anymore. When my husband passed away, I purchased those tall candles, and those who know my story know that I would light a candle every evening when he used to wake up to go to work, because he worked the night shift. And I went through a lot of candles. Okay, now I don't do candles that much anymore. I have I use incense, and I also use every now and then, I can't think of what it is, it's the little thing, but I'm going to put this on my precious memories. I'm going to burn it. I might burn it in the bedroom. Oh, this smells good. It has a sweet smell to it. It's really good, you guys. So I will let you guys know how it burn. I'm not a professional. How it burn and how it smell. And like it says, he has a good warning on here too, so you know exactly what to do. It's not on the bottom where it could you know, get damaged, or you probably won't look at it, but it's right on top, the warning where it says remove packing and label before burning. Only burn in a suitable container, but no longer than 2 hours at a time. Keep wax free from flammable materials. Keep the wick centered and trim to 1/4. Discontinue use when half of the wax remains to prevent heat damage. Okay, and keep away from draft children, pets, and never leave burning candle unattended. And that's a good warning. So you guys, let's see how that works. I'm so happy. Thank you, Anthony. It's beautiful. It's Susan Jim. I am back, and I just want to go over that candle because Anthony is having a sale starting today, Friday the 11th. And I just wanted to give you guys my quick review. I have burnt the candle. The first night I only did it for 2 hours, as it said on the top. But you know, we don't always listen to what's on the top. So it smelled really good. I couldn't smell it when I was right close to it, but then when I walked away or walked into the living room, I could smell it more. Or if I was outside and came in, I really got a good smell of it. The second burn was fabulous, and right now I am on the third burn, so it really lasts. You do get what you pay for in this candle, I have to say. So he's having a sale. I'm not being sponsored by him. What I am going to do, you guys, I did make my 100 subscribers before I went on my trip, because I wanted to go live, and I want to thank you guys. So what I'm going to do is have a giveaway, and the giveaway will be one of the candles. You pick the candle that you want, and I will prepay him for it in advance. So that's how I'm going to do that. And I may add something else. I don't know at this time. You know, maybe some yarn. I don't know. I'll figure something out, but right now it's one of the candles. Maybe I'll do 2 candles. So I hope you guys participate in my first ever giveaway. Yay! And I also want to say Happy Mother's Day to those people who do celebrate Mother's Day. Not all people do, but those who do celebrate Mother's Day, Happy Mother's Day. And those who don't celebrate Mother's Day, I know you've been a fabulous mother anyway, so we give thanks to you too. So you guys, I'm going to leave his information in the link. Take care. Go check out his website and enter the drawing below and just say, enter me in the drawing. Take care. Bye-bye.